In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add payment methods on your Wix website for 2025. This is a crucial step in setting up your online store and ensuring that your customers have a seamless checkout experience. We'll walk through the process together, starting from accessing your Wix account to adding and connecting payment methods like PayPal. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to Wix's homepage. If you haven't already, log into your Wix account. Once you're in, you're going to head over to the dashboard. This is where all your website management magic happens. In the dashboard search option, type Payments. This straightforward approach will bring up the relevant section you're looking for, making it much easier to proceed. Next up, you'll see an option titled Accept Payments. Go ahead and click on that. This is your one-stop shop for managing how you'll handle monetary transactions on your site. When you click on Accept Payments, it will take you to a new page where you need to focus on your business location settings. Click on Your Business Location. Here, you'll need to ensure that your country is set correctly because payment options can vary depending on geographical region. So, take a moment to choose your country from the list provided. Once your business location is sorted, it's time to select which payment methods you want to provide to your customers. PayPal is one of the most popular options, due in part to its ease of use and security. If you see PayPal on the list, click on it. After that, there will be a button that says Connect. Click on this and you'll be walked through the steps required to link your PayPal account to your website. Make sure you have your PayPal credentials handy, as you'll need them to complete this connection. Great job, you're almost there. Now, if you wish to explore even more payment options, look for the option labeled See More Payment Options. Clicking on this will reveal additional integrations you can add, giving your customers multiple ways to pay, which can enhance user satisfaction and potentially increase your sales. And that's it, you've successfully learned how to add payment methods on your Wix website. Remember, having diverse payment options is key to making your online store accessible to as many customers as possible, no matter where they are in the world. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips on enhancing your digital presence. Take care and happy selling.